Hi, this is Chuck with ABR Industries. Today's feature is based on one of the accessory items that we can apply to any of our cable assemblies, and that is our marker tubing. Our marker tubing comes in a wide variety of colors, but our standard tubing is green. Our tubing allows us to put a lot of information on there so that it can help you as the customer do one of two things, which is either identify your product or in some cases get your product back. So what you can put on there is you can have them all customized to your needs, which means you can put on custom labeling, logos, certain graphics as far as company logos or pictures. You can also imagine anything within regards to putting your name, contact information. You can put it for a lab, you can put it for a device, you can name it for connector sided A and B on a certain piece of equipment, or you can also use it out in the field. So for example, amateur radio operators, you can put your call sign on there, your name and phone number, so when you're off at field day or parks event or any type of application where you want your cables back, you're able to do so with your information. You can put any of this information on any cable assembly from the builders to the standard cables in the system. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at 713-492-2722 or abrind.com. Thank you.